So I will share you some sample resumes for you. Okay, don't copy the client details. Okay, so you can arrange your. So you can. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Ramesh Rayal, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I had an interview before 10 minutes back with S Technology, sir. So they mainly focused on DME and asset accounting, sir.
Okay, so how you answered that questions?
Sir, DME as we discussed, right, sir, in our that is helpful, but means we have other round with clients, sir. So they look only asset accounting and DME. Especially they need DME, sir. It means the implementation side, the practical knowledge.
They just check it out. What we discussed, okay, that's sufficient for the DME. Okay.
But
okay, that see, you know, for DME, you should understand the DME tree, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. DME.
So in order to understand the DME tree format, so first you need to check up for which country or for which bank you are applying, because the DME tree is not same for all the countries.
Yes, sir.
So
it is different to country to country.
Yeah. Okay, but anyhow, how was your presentation?
It was good, sir.
Okay, so how many questions they asked?
So I asked like if FI to MM and SD the differences, and also the difference between SAP HANA and ECC, and also he questioned me on asset accounting, sir.
Okay, yes. I think we smoothing and catch up at the last we discussed. I think only that questions we'll ask.
Yes, sir. Like we have the technical clearing account that they ask.
We discussed it right already.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many questions that come from our interview-based training?
Sir, everything came from our interview-based scenarios only, sir. Most of them. No from other side.
Okay.
Like, but he asked me, do you have knowledge? Sorry, experience on COPA side. I said I've done one implementation before, but now currently I'm supporting project. I cannot recall like that. I said.
So don't put SAP CO experiences, okay? Because CO is different, FI is different. Don't for CO profiles. So you go for FI, because I am focusing only on FI areas particularly.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
And but he told me that next round will be with the client, especially with the DMA and asset accounting, sir. These two only very targeted.
You like that, but they will ask you other areas also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DME perspective, so what we discussed, just to revise that. And user exists, okay, on which cases user exists will come for Indian context and for SIPA context. So just you can differentiate the two things to the interviewer, then he will definitely impress by.
Yes, sir. So do you have any the file format, sir? The file format do you have for DME?
Only SIPA format. That's enough. Okay. So
okay, sir.
You just to explain the SIPA format. Block A, what are the items are there? Block B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you tell only I know this activity, this SIPA activity, and also Indian context we already discussed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Indian context, how these just differentiate these two things. That's enough. Okay. What is aggregate? Okay. What is autumn? What is that fields are there, right? So just explain those things. That's enough. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So and asset accounting, regarding asset accounting, so just to prepare S4HANA new asset accounting changes.
Clearing, yes, sir. Clearing GL, technical clearing GL account that.
Yes. See, guys, how many people attended interview so far? Only Royal is saying that he was attended. So what about other people? Anyone attended any interviews?
But the Capgemini have cleared 2 rounds, sir. But it too, they said they need to get that BU approval.
Okay.
So once it's, I'll let you know, sir. But
how this training is helpful to you? So
yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely, most of the questions came from this interview only, sir. But we need to repeat it most of the times. Means we need to understand the question and the answer also. Sometimes they ask one question. They ask, sir, what is the in asset accounting? What you did, what you observed, and what is your resolutions to for that they asked, sir. So I said that for coding block, we introduced coding block to control such kind of asset accounting. I read that, I told that also. Sometimes they will asking real-time scenarios. Okay. Sometimes they are asking very like definition, like what is mean by dunning, how many
Okay.
levels of dunning.
Okay.
Sometimes they are going into very deep, sir, and a few.
Okay. Actually, what happens? So if interview asks 10 questions, so out of 10 questions, 7 questions are normal regular questions. Only 3
Yes,
questions are from like
scenario based, yeah.
scenario based questions. If you answer that 7 questions properly, scenario is not a match. You can select.
Sir, sir, when we go, sir, when we go to the company, how we need to perform in such cases, sir? Sir, till now we have end user experience, right? So
Problem. See, that depends. Okay, once you join into company, so till 3 months you don't know anything. Okay, so there
yes, sir.
are,
Yes, sir.
there are so many interfaces and there are so many tools that you need to come across and for getting
Yes, sir.
for
Yes, sir.
getting
Yes.
access. Okay, for getting access and connecting to new people and attending meetings and all this will take more time. So
Yes, sir.
and for understanding the process it will take more time. So and so if you get any kind of queries or anything, nobody will be available and everything you need to do from both side on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
But this case, how you can tackle this situation? So you just look out what kind of materials, documents, okay, what kind of training videos, okay, so
Yes, sir.
are available in the share drive or share folder that you need to get access and you need to sit at least 15 to 20, 15 to 18 hours per day. Then you will have any problem in real time
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
and just mingle with your colleagues and discuss with your thoughts and how they are don't share your knowledge completely but
Yes, sir.
listen what they are discussing during the meetings and how they are approaching towards the area.
Client. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that way you need to observe, keenly observe, but don't discuss more about your knowledge and don't share all the points to them. If they ask, then only you can discuss, or else just leave it. Okay, just
Okay.
discuss. If they ask any question, then you can answer. If you know, yes, I know. If you don't know, you tell us, I didn't come across this scenario in my previous company, but anyhow, I'm very interested in learning this new points. So please
Yes.
share me. I will work. I will help you out. So anyway, so even I will support you. So like that attitude, that positive attitude, you need to maintain.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Actually, when I completed a say, FICO, sir, I have that like training knowledge. So
Okay.
when I attend these workshops, the way means you took through the like how blueprint works and how business process flow works,
Yeah.
and all the real time scenarios like how IDOC will how IDOC play a role while moving from one system to the other system. Everything is very real, sir, so that we are able to answer confidently with the interview, which I felt means when I observed these 2 interviews.
Okay. So you
Because
all.
most of them which we discussed, that was only mostly they are asking.
Okay. So most of them you already cracked 2 interviews, right?
So
So
one was today
okay.
was just one round, sir. But Capgemini I've done 2, sir.
Okay. Waiting for the offer letter or any one
Yes.
more round is pending.
Sir, for Capgemini, I'm waiting for BU approval, sir. He told me that you need to get to BU approval. So once maybe I will update tomorrow or day after tomorrow. He told me like this.
Okay.
And yes, technologies have done one round today, sir. But he told me that next round will be you need to more focus on DME and asset accounting.
Okay, but I didn't get you one thing. So people are not getting calls. They are telling that so these days we are not getting calls. So how you got these 2 calls, and how you prepared your resume, and so at least they share your resume. I will check it out. So and I'll show to them in the group.
Sir, actually I shared with you, sir,
Oh,
before.
you already shared. Okay, I'll check then.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
I can share again, sir.
right. You are getting calls, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, guys, already one person is attended interview. I don't know how many people are ready for attending interviews in real time. Okay, so I think Venkata Subba, Varaprasad Reddy, I think both are ready for interview. Manjunatha also, I think. Manjunatha, have you attended?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. Okay, see, the questions will be asked based upon your resume. So 90% of questions will be come from your resume. If you put any other experiences in your resume, definitely it will be great damage to you. So hence only the points which you know, that points you need to cover in your resume. So don't add any copy paste resumes from your side. Okay, so today I will share you 2 resumes. Okay, I already shared. So just look out that resumes and try to put that level. Okay, so see, so don't hesitate to put high level areas like iDocs, DME, etc., etc. Okay, because my main focus is only these areas. See, if you put these areas, if you tell these topics properly, then you will get selected immediately. Nowadays, so nobody has much knowledge on DMA and iDocs. Okay, so you will see to basic things will be there. But so what we discussed during the sessions, CPA, etc., block A, block B, block C, and how the DME tree configured, etc., etc. So real-time areas, so that is sufficient for cracking the interview. Okay. Let's discuss about the resume areas. So I suggest everyone